Now, if you go to your iTunes, click on a tune, I'll just turn it down for the moment. But at the bottom there, the red triangle and the 3 red circles, you see hands-free system. And click on that, look, iPhone or hands-free system. If it's not, if there's no tick next to it for any reason, just tick it. We'll go back to that and I'll click play. I won't turn the music up just yet because now we have to go to, and I have to remember this, if we go to mode, you've got two, at the top here, you've got 2 buttons, and that shows different screens. You can either have it in that screen, and there you see Bluetooth audio. If you click on, or I'll show you the other one. If you have it in that screen, you just have to scroll until you come to Bluetooth audio, but click Bluetooth audio anyway. Click this back. That's showing it's on Bluetooth, and it will play this track. So if I turn this up first of all, I'll turn that up, and then I'll turn this up, because I can't leave it on too long because of YouTube's rules. So there you go. So that's the track playing through the Bluetooth audio system from my mobile, and that's how you do it.